Watch history on Instagram. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated step-by-step, I'll show you how to view your watch history on Instagram. Do you enjoy these types of videos on the channel? Are there other related videos? Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. This is my Instagram, Mundo Paiva Info, where I share useful tips. If you tap the three lines, you won't find your Instagram watch history. Leonardo, how can I see the reels I've watched on Instagram? First step, folks, is to interact with the reels somehow. Let me go to the reels section. So here are the reels, guys. What am I going to do? I'll like the reels I want to watch again. You need to interact with the reels you want to see again. For example, I'll interact with 3 reels here. 3 different reels, so I like these posts. I'll go back to my profile again. And if I tap here again on the 3 lines, if I tap your activity, then likes, reels I can watch later appear. Other reels I've liked will show up too. Until Instagram adds a native watch history, you can like reels you enjoy and view the history here in likes. You can close Instagram and come back another day. If you tap your activity then likes, you'll see your liked reels. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care, everyone. God bless you. Thanks, folks.